We had mouth-watering food all over Johor Bahru, and every restaurant does it a little bit differently. Today, we're diving deep into the Johor Bahru food scene, hunting down some of the most unique dishes you will find here. Today, we are going all out in Johor Bahru. We are the Food Huntsman.
Assalamualaikum and hi. I am Muhammad Akid Najmi and
I am Ahmad Daniel bin Ahmad Rifdi.
we are Food Huntsman.
All the time, my baby, you on my mind, and I don't know why, yeah, but the feeling is fine.
Now on, we are at Bandar Baru Uda to find place that we're going to eat and taste some delicious food in this town.
In this town, there are many restaurants and we choose the only one restaurant that we decided. It is
Chap Chai Restaurant. Assalamualaikum and hi, I am Muhammad Akid Najmi from Food Huntsman. So I would like to ask you about the Chap Chai restaurant. So can you tell me a little bit information about this restaurant?
Chap Chai Cafe and Resto mula beroperasi dari tahun 2014, iaitu wujud tahun 2014. Okey, konsep Chap Chai Cafe and Resto ni, Chap Chai Club of Chai, iaitu secawan teh macam tu. Okey, waktu operasi kami ialah dari pukul 7 pagi hingga pukul 11 malam. Makanan utama kami kat sini ialah makanan iaitu kacang pul, nasi kukus dengan western atau pasta. Kenapa orang cakap diorang pilih Chap Chai? Sebab kacang pul kami beza daripada yang lain, iaitu kacang pul kami ni, seperti yang kita tahu, kacang pul ni datang daripada tanah Arab. So kami campur mix dengan cita rasa orang Melayu dalam kacang pul kami. So bagi menarik perhatian pelanggan lah. Okay, cawangan kami setakat ini kami ada satu cawangan sahaja. Mungkin insyaAllah pada bulan 12 ni, pada bulan 11 ni kami akan buka di Batu Lima ni, berdekatan dengan area tempat kami beroperasi ni. Sikit sih.
Okay, thanks a lot Cik Kata Amran.
Call you darling and everything will be okay, cause I know that I am yours and you are mine. Doesn't
Aku ada gang, professional, running with my clique, international.
So here it is, a grilled chicken. It looking interesting that I have never seen before. So I want to slice it to see the inside of this chicken. So this chicken is cooked well. As I can see, this chicken is not too raw. So let me try this. When I put in my mouth, the taste is soft and delicious.
Aku ada Belanda. Dia nak beef, aku bagi sekali bun.
Aku ada gang.
okay. So this food we call nachos. And my first impression when I see this food, I so happy because this is my first try in my life when I eat nachos. So first, I try to eat without the cheese. Okay, when I eat without cheese, the taste is bitter. And now I want to try it with cheese. Okay. Okay. Now I try to eat with cheese. The taste so different. The taste is so yummy and delicious.
Tonight we'll take a walk. It's nothing funny just to talk. Balik, putaran reality terbalik.
So here it is. This is called chai. It look like teh tarik, but we cannot judge the book by its cover. So this is my first try. So let's try this. What I can say is the taste is a little bit different than teh tarik. The taste of tea also different than other restaurant. Those delightful American grilled chicken,
Cheesy nachos and chai are so fantastic.
tasty. So I recommended you guys to try this meal at Chap Chai restaurant.
There are many restaurants that we had been before, but this is the unique taste that we have tasted before.
I am Muhammad Akid Najmi.
I am Ahmad Daniel.
We are Food
Huntsman. We eat.
We share.
Couldn't get nothing, but we'll never run out. We'll be free.
Abah panggil suruh balik atas meja makan abang balik depum Miguel Hamilton tidur malam.
We had mouth-watering food all over Johor Bahru, and every restaurant does it a little bit differently. Today, we're diving deep into the Johor Bahru food scene, hunting down some of the most unique dishes you will find here. Today, we are going all out in Johor Bahru. We are the Food Huntsmen.
Can't you see, honey, you are for me.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Arif bin Sabri.
And I, Azri bin Azmi,
We are Food Huntsmen. My friends Akid and Daniel just went to Chap Chai restaurant to review the food.
but now on, we review at Tarik Warisan, the only handful noodle in this town.
Choice, you feel like home. You're like the opposite of all of my mistakes. Tear down the biggest walls and put me in my place. I know that kind of comfortable you cannot replicate. You feel like home. So if you're asking me, say, oh, how do you know? I don't just feel it in my heart.
To turn me to a savage, rather be tied up with calls and my strings. Write my own checks like I write what to sing.
Abah panggil suruh balik atas.
Hello, this is my first impression of hand-pulled fried noodle. This is not instant noodle. This is the hand-pulled noodle. It is 100% handmade by Chinese people in Taiwan.
I feel it in my bones. I feel it in my bones. And I know when it cuts deep down through your chest into your soul, that's how you know.
This is my first try. The noodle not to chew and a lot of ingredients in the menu. A lot of vegetable, meat, and the noodle. The portion is very big.
That's right, cause for you and me, I got no alibi, you feel like home.
Wake up, for somebody yang rapper number one in this planet. Dah sampai boleh turun. Chill.
Oh, yo, ya KB meserum bombo, meserumpo. Ya KB meserum bombo, meserumpo.
Okay, this is a bubble tea from Mi Tarik Warisan. So I have never tasted this bubble tea before because in other restaurant there have no this kind of tea. So that's why I choose this tea. So let's have some try. What I can say about this tea is it is balanced between sugar and tea. So I can taste herbs in this tea. This healthier Chinese bubble tea.
The mee tarik goreng is so delicious.
And the bubble tea is good for your healthy. So I suggest you
To come to Mee Tarik Warisan restaurant to try those meal.
I am Muhammad Arif bin Sabri.
And I Azri bin Azmi.
We are Food Huntsman.
We eat.
We share.
Find place to eat some delicious food. Udah
This Mee Tarik.
Nanti rekod. Tekan lagi.
The Mee Tarik goreng noodle is so delicious.
Mee Tarik goreng noodle.